The included breakfast was better than expected.
We /have booked for a double room, but when we arrived at the hotel, there was a twin room for us. Even so, both the mattresses and pillows weren't /very comfortable. The bathroom was a little bigger than the airplane /is, since it had space for a standing shower.
Basic ibis hotel. I think that says it all. Rooms are nice, clean, the breakfast was good and quite varied. If you don't /have super high expectations, then this will be perfect for you.
Bar opened at 4 p.m. so decided to have a quick drink before leaving for company Christmas party. When I asked for a pint of draft lager was told the pipes were being cleaned. Hello, it's now 4:00 clock.
Well situated for London City Airport, Excel Exhibition Centre and O2. Right next door to DLR Station. Plenty of restaurants close by. Personnel friendly, room functional and perfectly comfortable.
Minimum bed size should be queen. Double beds are too narrow and way too short. 2 chairs should be in room. All lighting controls should be on both sides of bed. Safe was useless. Not only was it locked in the open condition but it was not secured, bolted down.